Hey, so I've realized that a lot of girls are not getting their lashes done right now, and I had to do some research to figure out why that is. I do understand that the economy is not at its best, and that plays a part because of price, but then you have other girls that feel like lashes are a chore. You have to come back every 2 to 3 weeks. Some of your lashes are not even lasting 2 weeks, and you feel like you're always there maintaining your lashes. That's more, I guess, money dumping out for you, right? And then you have those girlies who are allergic to lash extensions and feel like they can't get them anymore. That is out of the question for them. And then there's this new clean girl aesthetic, which I love because I love some classic lashes. There's not a lot of lash techs that are doing that look at the moment, right? So back when I started lashing in 2017, classics were the it thing. Classics, you had to learn how to isolate. You had to make sure that your lashes was going in the right direction so you can lash every single lash with the right isolation and get them as full as possible, make them look as clean, neat, and pretty as possible. Then as time went on, these lash techs stopped doing classics at all. They were taking just volume courses and they were putting volumes in. Volumes and hybrids are so much easier to hide your mistakes. They weren't isolating properly and it was just a mess. It still is a mess, right? But I took 2 years to perfect my classic lashes. So classics were still my thing. I love some classics. But lately, I've been seeing a uprise in clients getting classic lashes. They're no longer wanting the hybrids or the volumes. They're just booking me for classics. And girl, I love it. People don't want to sit there for 2 to 3 hours to get a lash set. So perfecting your craft and speeding up your time is also good as well. But I've been in the business 7 years, so I don't have those issues anymore. Then it was the girlies who was having allergic reactions, or the girlies who feel like their retention wasn't lasting, and especially the ones who don't follow the aftercare instructions. Last year I took a course and it was LED lashes. I found out about it back in NYC, where I'm originally from. Took this course and oh my God, the results I got from these lashes, I love. I'm not seeing my clients back for 3.5 to 4 weeks each time, and that's for classics. So imagine volumes. I'm not seeing these ladies back for 5 weeks at a time. My clients who were allergic to regular standard lash glue is now able to get these LED lashes, and they're not having these reactions at all. What it does is the light cures the glue immediately, so they don't have to worry about the water, the oils, or anything like that. They're lasting so much longer. They don't have to be as gentle with their aftercare. Yes, you still want to cleanse them and stuff, but other than that, they're good to go. My girls is loving these new LED lashes, and I'm loving it too. But with this new clean girl trend, classics are back in full effect. And if you don't know how to do classics and do them well, you're a little bit behind right now, because people are not getting the long dramatic lashes anymore. They're going back natural. Even if it's volume lashes, they're doing a very minimal volume lashes, like just kind of wispy clothes fans, less lashes in a fan type of look. And that is the new it thing. But I have to say, I'm excited that classics are going back into style like they were back in 2017, because these classics, I'm making them look so pretty. And there's so many girls out there where I'm in Atlanta that don't know how to properly do classic lashes, and I'm just loving it. I'm here for it. So if you're ready to come book your lash appointment, click that link in the bio. I'm at Enhanced Aesthetic, and I'm ready for you. Now, them LEDs, I love that. I do still offer the regular, but the LEDs is where it's at. You're not going to go wrong if you choose that. I'm telling you.